Arshal sir, Renu Agarwal sir, they are all belongs to ICMT members and they have shown very much interest in collaborative research works. Sir, I request to start the proceedings. Otherwise, we can start with the introduction of the individual members.
Yeah, that is better, right?
Yeah. I
To
request,
start each one.
I
Yeah.
request Santosh Kumar sir, please introduce yourself.
Sir, I am Santosh Kumar, working as an assistant professor in Government Postgrad College, Anvatti, in Shivamogga district, Karnataka. Currently, I had 2 years of experience in teaching, and I had wrote 5 research articles in peer-reviewed journals, sir.
Good.
Sir, subject area and research field important.
So
Yeah.
my interest, I already told to sir, but my interest area is finance and accounting, sir.
Okay.
Dore.
Then
ఛార్జింగ్ అయిపోతా ఉంది వద్దొద్దు వద్దు
next others.
ఆదర్శ్ కుమార్ సార్ ప్లీజ్
Yes,
ఇంట్రొడ్యూస్
sir.
యువర్
Sir,
సెల్ఫ్
very good evening to one and all. This is Dr. Adarsh Kumar. I am working as an assistant professor at ITM Gwalior, and I am having experience of corporate plus research project plus
పవర్
teaching
ఏం
experience of almost 9 to 10 years. Previously, I was working with Ministry of Food and Government of India on a research project only. From last 3 years, I was working with ITM College. I have 5 papers in Scopus Index, but that was my book chapters. Currently working on journals on Q3 and Q journals. So this is about me. Thank you everyone.
And area of interest.
Sir, basically I'm working now on AR VR technologies, big data analysis, augmented reality, virtual reality, AI, personalization in management.
Good. Nitin, sir.
నితిన్ సార్ ప్లీజ్
Good evening, sir. I am Nitin, working as an assistant professor in Hubli, JG College of Commerce, Hubli. Total 16 years of work experience in different colleges. And my area of interest is financial inclusion, women empowerment, and entrepreneurship.
శ్రీనివాసన్ సార్
Thank you, sir.
Srinivasan.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes.
Myself, Dr. Srinivasan. I had 10 years of teaching experience. Right now, I'm working in SRM, Ramapuram campus. I have published 2 more Scopus Index and 3 more Web of Science Index. And I have written on paper with Satyanarayana sir itself. So it is in our process. So we are learning researches through Satyanarayana sir. So my area of
So,
research is marketing. I am well much is interested in consumer psychology, sir.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ హర్షల్ సార్
Sir, very good evening, sir. My name is Dr. Harshal Borgaon. I am associated with Global Business School as an associate professor. My broad area of interest is human resources, specifically something to do with emotional intelligence and performance management. I've got close to about 6 years of industry experience and almost close to about 16 years of teaching experience.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ రేణు మ్యామ్ యువర్ మైక్ ఈస్ మ్యూటెడ్
Sorry. Good evening to all. Myself, Dr. Renu Agarwal, working in Chennai College, STNV Vaishnava College. I have total teaching experience 18 years, and my area is HR marketing.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్ సార్ myself Dr. Manjunath, working as a professor and principal, and my research areas are actually fintech now. I'm working on fintech and very much interested in tourism, sustainable tourism, and higher education technology. And currently, I am working on a research proposal, integration of AI in the management curriculum. Sir.
that's very good.
Sir.
So, We got a wide variety of scholars from different disciplines, right? Finance and accounting, and HR area, and marketing, AI, and so on. So, what? Of course, most of you have got experience of writing research papers, some in peer-reviewed journals, and some of these are in Scopus indexed journals. Okay. Uh, I have one question before I start. Why you go for peer-reviewed journals? Yes, Scopus indexed journals are also peer-reviewed. Why we call that separate name peer-reviewed journals?
To ensure that meaningful research is communicated or not.
No. Scopus indexed journals are also, you think, not peer-reviewed?
Peer reviewed.
Then what is why you making peer-reviewed journals on Scopus index?
Sir,
I want to know what is it.
there are certain journals, sir. Only they are stick on to only double peer review, but those journals are not indexed. Like we have open access journals, DOAJ is there. We will find some journals like that, sir, but not indexed in the Scopus.
The
But why
indexation,
should you write for those?
sir, may I?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
just curious. I
yes, sir.
want to know. That's all. Yeah.
Sir, maybe because of the index also, the quality matters. Higher the index, the quality of the papers are better.
Uh, there's misconception about that.
May I, sir?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Why?
Okay,
Because
madam.
same expert people, they will check our papers. All papers will be like accurate. They will check data, what methodology we are adopted, everything they will check. So paper will be high quality. So always you should prefer peer reviewed journal only.
No, that's right. All the journals are peer reviewed. Okay. The question is that, sometimes they say peer reviewed journals and they complete review in 2 days.
Nagesha,
I got so many emails. I submit a paper within 48 hours, we get it published, peer reviewed. They mention like that, but they don't really review. Because in 2 days, you cannot have peer review, right?
Right, sir.
You submit a paper, pay some 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees, paper will come out in 7 days or 8 days. They mention peer reviewed, but they're not. Any journal which takes less than 2 days, they're not reliable. Of course, there are some journals which are very fast in MDPA journals are there. They are very quick in reviewing it. So it doesn't mean that they don't review. They review the papers. They send it for review. They tell that, okay, you have 1 week's time to review. They ask me, for example, are you interested in reviewing? Yes, within 1 week you have to submit. Otherwise, you don't take it. So there are some fast track journals, but still they are reviewed. And secondly, my question, do you pay money for getting publication? Just today's warm-up session. Today I want to know actually.
I
Do you
paid,
pay
sir.
money?
I paid.
Yes, sir. We have to give money.
Sir,
I
but
Money
the
is there.
paid.
processing charges is
Yes,
what.
sir.
Okay. So you should earn money to pay, right? But once
Starting
you pay,
అయిపోతా ఉంది. మీటింగ్ లో ఉన్నాను, అయిపోతా ఉంది.
why? You know, every journal has two options. We call it hybrid. Hybrid means APC, Open Access Journal, Open Access one route, and subscription based another route. where you don't have to pay money. Some journals which are purely open access, 100%. You go for open access only when there is institutional funding. If your college is funding, university is funding, for example, Amrita, my college in Mysore, okay, they have funding. Scholars recently got one paper published in Frontiers in Psychology, about $3,000. And institution pays money. In that case, you can go ahead. When you pay from your pocket, should not go. So the catch is that to go for, if you don't want to go for open access journals, you should put in effort in terms of writing high quality papers, right?
Okay, sir.
So never ever go for local access journals. Where to begin with? We need to form a team, okay, of different people, marketing area people, what you want, what exactly you're interested in guiding, what exactly you want, so that we can proceed further.
Sir,
You want to set up a topic? Yes.
sir, actually we are 6 to 7 members are there, sir.
Yeah.
Each individual's subject area is totally different from other member.
Yeah.
So what we will do is every individual will develop one proposal. Other members also we will join them. So for example, I am good at review literature. Some other is good at analysis. Another person is good at writing conclusions. Like that, contributions will be there from all the members. And as you are the mentor, so you will be also there with us. So totally, like a group has to develop around 5 to 6 papers,
Okay.
and
Okay.
all the group members will be there in the papers. Say for example, Nitin sir is there, and Nitin sir's
Yeah.
area and my area is very close. I can collaborate
Okay.
with these two people, and also I can invite another two people for the
Yeah.
contribution.
Don't go more than 4.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
So
And secondly, you rightly pointed out distribution of work. Okay, that comes later.
okay, sir.
Who is going to write introduction? Who is going to write analysis and all these? That comes later. Initially,
Sir.
you have an idea. Okay, you focus on the topic, and then you start see what is the unexplored area in that particular topic, and then prepare a model, conceptual model, and see what are the constructs you need. Develop instrument, then send for survey.
Okay.
So survey takes at least 1 month, 1.5 months time. During that time, one can focus on collecting literature in that area. Okay, and so on. One can see what latest is going on. And when the data collection is over, then you start analyzing. And one of you should be experts in, I think, in my view, every researcher should be strong in all the areas. From writing, introduction to the conclusion, including analysis, everybody should be expert. Suppose you say that I don't know methodology, I don't know how to analyze. Suppose if I analyze something right, you should understand, right? So everybody should be familiar with methodology, familiar with the content, and so on. Only then it becomes a good project. Okay. And there are some fundamentals here. Now, how do you search for the papers? Suppose marketing area, Nitin sir, in marketing, I think financial inclusion, right?
Yes, sir.
Financial inclusion, sir.
Yeah. How do you find papers in that area? I'm just asking.
There are many papers, sir, in financial inclusion and financial exclusion.
How do you search for the papers?
In my area, I studied financial inclusion of tribes in certain areas.
Sir,
No, no,
sir is
no. That is
asking.
how do you get the papers? How do you find the papers in financial inclusion?
May I, sir?
In searching in website, sir.
May I,
Which
sir?
website means what? Okay, you drop a coin in the ocean.
Yes,
How
sir.
do you search? You can't search
Yeah.
it. For example, you throw a coin in Atlantic Ocean. You can't search in Pacific Ocean, right?
Yes, sir.
So how do you search? That's what I am. How do you search for the papers in your financial inclusion area?
So may I?
Yes, yes. Anyone, please.
Yes, sir.
Today, warm-up question only.
Generously, we get started on the Google Scholar, looking out for articles related to it, and then we keep going for first is the quality, and second is quite obviously we look at how the title is closer to our title, and look out for citations. Where have they cited the papers from? And quite obviously,
Mm.
go to those citations and look out for further paper suggestion. So that is how the loop keeps going on down as such in terms of bringing on the qualities.
Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
DOAJ,
yes.
DOAJ and Flipblit and Emerald and Web of this Scopus, all this website we can search with our field name, our area.
Yeah, sir.
Renu madam, you are the HR area, right?
Yes, sir, HR marketing.
HR, human resource management. Now, for the marketing, for example, one mistake what scholars commit is that they go to Google Scholar. That is not the way. The way is, whatever the area you are in, you should know the top 10 journals in your fingertips.
Oh,
Journals, marketing, let us say, Journal of Marketing, Journal of Academy of Marketing Science, Journal of Marketing Theory and Practice, Journal of Consumer Behavior, Journal of Advertising, International Journal of Advertising, Journal of Business Research, right? Like this, and so all these Journal of what, Journal of Retailing, okay, Journal of Retailing and Consumer Services. So all the journals names should be on the fingertips of the people in that area. Rule number one. HR, for example, human relations, FT50 journal that is. Okay, International Journal of Human Resource Management, Human Resource Management Theory and Practice, Human Resource Development International, HRDI. So all the journals you should know. Go to journals websites and then look for the papers of your interest. Okay, got it? So that is the way. And then, as I think Harshal sir rightly pointed out, if you are starting, take up any paper, then go to references and see the journals there. You find the journals names there, go to the journal website and look for the papers you are interested in. Then you find tons of papers. You know what? For writing one paper, you need to have study at least 100 papers. 100 papers. Only then you have a solid background. If we are writing a paper is easy. Defending the paper later on from the reviewers is a very tough task. Very tough. Reviewers ask questions. You can't find answers actually. That is where the real problem comes. Right? You write a paper, okay, collect data, have a model, send it. If it is good, they send it for review. Reviewers will sit on your neck. It's not easy to get papers published in high quality. Yeah, about the quality of journals, let me clarify your point. ABDC, Australian Business Deans Council list. right? Category A, B, and C. You know the difference between these categories? Why they are categorized differently?
Don't
Is
know,
it
sir.
based on quality? Yes.
No, sir. No, sir. Don't know.
Sir, I
Okay.
think based on impact factors.
No, it is based on acceptance rate. Category A paper journals, they receive 12,000 papers, 8,000 to 12,000 papers every year. Let us take 6,000 papers every year, out of which they publish 240 papers. So out of 6,000, 240 were accepted and how many are rejected? 5,760 papers rejected. Category A. Category B, they receive 4,000 papers. They publish 240 papers. Category C, they receive 2,000 to 3,000 papers. They publish 240 papers. Remember, quality of the paper is of C category, A category is same. You can't say category C means low quality. No, they never compromise the quality. It depends on the incoming papers, how many papers they receive, how many papers they publish. Suppose you get a paper published in category C journal. Don't say it's low quality, no. Quality is very high. Don't ever underestimate that. In category C is also very good journal, very good paper. Quality of the paper is good. But it may not go to category A because in category A, what happens? It churn out like anything. They said double blind review, right? That is wrong. Minimum 2 rounds of revision. Minimum. They don't say maximum. My Journal of Consumer Behavior, it went through 5 revisions. Journal of Business Research, 6 revisions. Journal of Knowledge Management, 4 revisions. They're all category A journals. And writing a paper is okay. They're done. Convincing the reviewers and the editor is a very, very, very tough task. It happens. Recently, we submitted a paper in Journal of Strategic Marketing. First round of revision, done. Major revision. Second round, major revision, done. Third round, minor revision, done. You know what happened? Editor sent the paper to the associate editor. Associate editor, he said, oh, 3 reviews done. Still, I am not convinced. They rejected the paper. After 3 rounds of revision, they rejected the paper. Though we could convince the editor and reviewers, we could not convince associate editor. So anytime paper can be rejected. I'll tell you one more example. I'm sorry, I'm talking too much today. I'm not presenting anything. Just warm up, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, we sent a paper to Journal of Transport Geography on tourism, sir. Manjula sir's expertise tourism, right?
Yes.
We sent a paper. Journal of Transport Geography is category A journal. Send it. That is special issue actually. Send it. What happened? These electric vehicles. First round of revision, major revision, done. Second round, major revision, done. Third round, minor revision, done. Editor, guest editor of the journal, specialist guest editor, they rejected the paper. And what happened? He rejected the paper and sent a decision to the editor. Editor has gone through initial version, revision number 1, revision number 2, revision number 3. He got satisfied. He said, he sent a letter to us. Though special issue editor rejected the paper, I have gone through the paper. This paper deserves place in the journal. I am publishing it in general issue, not special issue. General issue takes more time, 3 years. Special issue takes 1 year or so. He moved the paper from special issue, sent letter. I like the paper. I am taking it into general regular issue, and he sent acceptance letter, and the paper got published. So until the paper comes out, we never know anything about it. I think I sent you the papers. I think if you see in the papers list I sent that paper also.
Yes,
Under
sir.
transport geography and
Yes,
electric
sir.
vehicles.
It's there, sir.
Yeah, it is. That is story behind that.
Yes, sir.
So, yes, sir. So today, I don't know. I have been talking only about general. Now tell me what we need to do.
Sir, what we'll do is, sir, first we'll bring up our own proposals in the group. So we will
Yeah.
be having on Google Doc, so that it will be like collaborative becomes easy. So we will give the access for the document. We will give the access to you, sir. So we will be developing along with other researchers also. So wherever we are going, so we'll have like 15 days once we'll have a meet, and you can give us the guidance.
Yeah.
And in the group,
Sure.
as we will be there in the group, so if any clarifications required, so we'll put the questions into the group.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
and one more request, sir. And this
Please.
will be your responsibility from the development of the paper to the publication, sir.
No, it's okay. I will guide you in that. I am not expert, but I
No,
can
no, no, sir.
take
We
it.
know you. We know, sir. We know you.
No, don't think that I am a super duper cop. I am not a James Bond. We can do wonders. No,
Yes.
we can do that. I'll coordinate and cooperate
Yes, sir.
in whatever possible. Some fundamentals to remember. Do
Yes.
not collect data from students. Okay,
Yes, sir.
unless the paper is related to education. There was a meeting the other day of the associate editors. I am also associate editor of one or two journals, and we had a meeting. In the meeting, they decided never ever take any paper where data is collected from students. Rule number one. Number two, do not ever go for single point of data collection. There should be two-way data. You know the two-way data means?
No, sir.
No, sir, please, sir.
Two-way data means data collected at 2 points of time. There are independent variables, mediators, dependent variables, right?
Yes, sir.
And the relationships are dynamic in nature. For example, theory of plant behavior you take. Attitudes, intention, behavior. All these cannot be done at the same day, on the same time.
All right.
Attitudes, they lead to intention. Intention leads to behavior. There is a time lag. So you cannot establish causal relationships when we have collected data at single point of time. We cannot say that X is influencing Y. We can at the most say X is associated with Y. So we have two-way data. Two-way data means you send a survey instrument, okay, including independent variables and mediators, and send them. Wait for 1.5 months. How many replies you got? Let us say you got 600. You quote them. Second part of the survey is sent to the same people. There may be attrition rate. Second time, all 600 may not reply. Only 550, 520 may reply. Take. That is your final sample. Then the model you mentioned, T1 and T2. You're collecting data at T1 point of time. 52. Yeah, I think you have heard about CMB, common method bias. You heard about it, right?
Yes.
Common method bias. No?
No, sir. No, sir.
Oh, oh, when you collect data at a single point of time, the common method bias is inherent. Inherent means there is a bias because you are collecting data from the same respondents at a single point of time on both independent variables and dependent variables. So this is called common method bias. I think you must have gone through Portscott 2003 paper. Common method bias. How to counter that? You do that traditionally single factor analysis. You know, the Harman single factor test. The single factor doesn't go more than 50% of variance explained by single factor, then CMB is not present. If it is more than 50%, CMB is present. And traditionally, the traditional measure, and recently they developed the new method that is called VIF, that is marker method is also marker variable method, which is not related to that model, and then see the relationships. Marker variable method. And also you can see VIF, internal variance inflation factor method, VIF, should not be more than 3.3. Cox, KOCK, Cox 2015 paper. So it's all methodological issues. Okay. So when you collect data at single point of time, CMB is a problem. So to avoid that, you have two periods. So now we completed one survey in tourism only. We had two points of data collection and analyzing it now, writing a paper. So that's important thing. You know, to go for 2 time period collection of data. You take more time, but it becomes easy to convince editors and reviewers. Okay.
One doubt, sir. May I ask?
Yeah.
Sir, while
Yeah,
collecting
please.
of two-way data, first time we have to send for independent variable and mediator variable along with only.
Yeah.
After the
Yes.
second time, we have go for dependent variable. It's it right, sir?
Yeah. Dependent variables, moderators, and so on.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And some of the mediators you can divide, you know.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes.
don't collect data on the independent variable second stage, no.
Okay. First stage we have to collect it about independent and mediator. Second stage we have go for moderator and variables.
Exactly.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any other questions? I did not know you with the PowerPoint and so on.
Yes.
You want me to show some of the fundamentals for 10-15 minutes?
Sir, I have a question to ask.
Yeah.
Sir, you said that first we have to collect data of independent variable and mediator variable, and again we have to send again the data to dependent variable. Sir, why we are doing this?
Because it's a very good question. Because relationships are dynamic in nature. Simple example. In marketing, customer satisfaction leads to loyalty, right? You get satisfied with the product, right? Then you become loyal to them. These two cannot be done in the same day. It will take time, right?
Yes.
Suppose you like Coke. You drank Coke, you're happy. Second time also you drank Coke, happy. Third time, then you become loyal to the Coke. So there's a time gap between effect of one variable and the other variable. Isn't it so?
Yes.
For example, you take food. Does it give energy immediately?
No,
It
sir.
takes time. It takes time, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, in research, from one variable to another variable when you go, it takes time to show its effect. That is why we take 2 point of data collection. At least 1 month gap you have to give, or sometimes 2 months gap. So data collection takes time, no doubt. but it save your time in convincing reviewers and editors.
Sir, as we are from different places, the one person collect data in their place and I will collect data from different place. So it can
Hmm.
do it on the same time.
No, we're talking about not about the place, about the time of collection of data, I'm saying.
Okay.
For example, you're teaching, right?
Yes, sir.
You teach. So students are receiving your teaching.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After one semester is over, they will see whether your teaching is effective or not.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it so?
Yes, sir. Yes.
They won't tell immediately on the very first day of lecture, okay, he's very good teacher. They cannot say, right?
Yes.
It takes time, isn't it so?
Yeah, yes. I understand, sir.
Yeah, similarly, we're talking about variables, right? When the variables are independent, x1, x2, x3, mediator m, moderator m1, so on, y. So it takes time for the effect to take place.
Yes, sir. Understand, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Any other questions?
Renu madam, why don't
Yes,
you show
sir.
one of the papers you published? Yes, madam.
Yes, sir. Actually, two or three members will work in a group, I heard. So how
Yeah,
we will pairing up? So HR marketing, I am. Uh,
yeah. Like, HR marketing people will form one group. Finance accounting people form. Okay, finance and accounting, you say. Uh, Accounting is totally different.
yes, sir.
Finance is the finance, you have got behavioral finance. Core finance and stock market is one area.
Yes, sir.
Remember, for doing PhD, you take any topic, doesn't matter. For publications, you select those topics where it becomes relatively easy to publish, like a low hanging fruit. Core finance, we take very tough. Behavioral finance, emerging area, there is some possibility. Behavioral biases are there. Okay, financial inclusion, financial behavior, and so many latest topics in finance area, right? Behavioral finance, financial knowledge, right? And their scope of getting paper publications. And one more important thing, please don't take up old constructs. Service quality, Parasuraman's old measure. No, don't take those. Latest ones. UT model, Venkatesh model, 2003 and 13. UTs are all becoming very old. People don't take it. Technology acceptance model, theory of plan B, very old, outdated. Go to the new ones, latest ones. It's very difficult, because many papers came out. And these days, there's about AI, artificial intelligence. What is the acronym for AI? What is the acronym?
Yeah,
What AI
art-
stands for?
artificial
What is
intelligence.
AI?
Artificial
No,
intelligence.
no, sir. I would say alcoholic intelligence. People are very high on that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So recently, I think somebody asked me, "Are you going to write AI?" Okay. Everybody talks about positive side of AI. I say, okay, let us talk about dark side of AI. Dark side of AI. You know that. Okay. One important thing. Do you use Chat GPT?
Yes, sir.
Who says yes?
Sir,
Pallavi?
Dr. Pallavi Singh. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who says to use Chat GPT?
Sorry, sir.
Why do you use ChatGPT?
To get the like a kind of database which we refers to any kind of a topic, to get a kind of exact details about the particular content, and to make it viable and for this making this authentic. But we have to give the prompt engineering also for that to get the response.
Uh, One important thing is that never ever use ChatGPT for writing papers.
Yes, sir, we never use for ChatGPT for writing papers, but we use for getting content for the teaching part.
No, teaching is okay. Teaching you can do anything, anything you consider. I'm talking about research. In the research, never use ChatGPT because it gives you falsified information.
It will
Even
generate
wrong
the
information.
content, sir, as how you
No,
prompted.
no,
It
wrong
will.
content I'm saying.
Yes, sir. It will generate, and we after
See, for
looking.
example, Manjunath and myself, we wrote a paper, let us say, okay, on impulse buying, published in Journal of Consumer Behavior. Okay. Suppose somebody tries to search for the impulse buying, it puts a paper, same authors, Manjunathan, Parayitam, same journal, Consumer Behavior, different title, different DOI. Paper won't exist. It gives you falsified information. And very dangerous also. You know what? I tell you a simple example. Real example I'm telling you. In tourism, we wrote one paper. I wrote all the everything except limitations part. I told the scholar, okay, just only one paragraph. Just try to write one paragraph. Limitations very small. He did. We submitted. First round of revision done. Second round done. Third round done. Fourth round done. Accepted. Paper got accepted. After acceptance, paper has gone to production. Production people verified 2 sentences are copied from ChatGPT in the limitation section. Simple sentences. They said 2 sentences copied from ChatGPT. Perplexity. I think some program Perplexity is there, so right?
Yes, sir.
Copied. I was a corresponding author. Sent it to me. I asked him, what did you do? Sir, I used ChatGPT. I put limitations. It gave. I put it there. You know what happened? Editor reversed the decision, rejected the paper. Rejected the paper. After accepting it, it went for 1 year. It took to go to that stage of acceptance. They rejected the paper mercilessly just because 2 sentences were copied from ChatGPT. I have documentary evidence. If you want, I can show you. So please never ever use ChatGPT for writing papers.
Sir, how can they identify that the two lines are copied from ChatGPT? It is possible to identify
Oh,
that.
it is very easy to identify. The similarity index, right? The AI index also is there. Software generates, it will tell. You know similarity index? The Turnitin will bring similarity index. Even terms which are similarly used elsewhere also being brought up.
Yes. With,
Similarity index, Turnitin.
Nowadays,
It
Turnitin
highlights
give
it.
AI also, sir.
yeah, AI
Yes.
detectors are also there, sir. AI
Yeah, the
detector.
detectors are there. Yes, AI detectors are there. Now, sir, one thing, since editor knows me, I explained to him, it's okay. Otherwise, what happens, they blacklist you. You cannot submit paper to the journal again in your life. Like getting visa rejected for US, 10 years don't come, like that. So please never ever use ChatGPT in any way In research, in teaching, you can do no problem. Anywhere
Sir,
you can use. Yes.
one question I'm having. Sir, can you
Yeah.
please help us in just getting the SLR, that is systematic literature review, how we can just identify a good systematic literature review for our papers?
There are two things. Systematic literature review for writing a paper or a paper on another SLR.
For writing a papers.
You don't have to need to do SLR for writing a paper. Systematic literature review is only for writing paper in a particular area. That is impulse buying.
Okay,
Systematic
sir.
literature review on that area. You see how many papers being generated there. You identify the different constructs, unexplored areas, and then go on. But writing, you don't write SLR for writing a paper. Literature review, we call that. It's not systematic literature review. There's a difference between these two.
Yes, sir. One of my colleagues were writing a thesis on a particular topic of identifying a particular research area. So he was using a SLR. That's what I was asking. That in thesis we used to use SLR.
That's not necessary.
Okay.
It's because they must be following old format of. Okay, when you talk about thesis,
Yes.
literature review does not mean compilation of some studies put in one chapter. That is not literature review. Literature review should help you developing hypothesis. Between the variables, what is a literature review? Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Two
so much.
variables are there, X and Y. Yes. Yes, madam.
Yeah, yes, sir. Actually, due to we actually one there is a one question is also with my of my having problems regarding this. As we are writing the research papers, we are belongs to a private institute, but we don't have the access to the good like kind of the Scopus, Elsevier, or Clarivate to access the good quality papers. So, how
Yes.
it can be possible to identify good papers and write a good research content?
No, yeah, number one is a misconception that people do not have access to the papers. You
Okay,
can
sir.
access any paper up to abstract, right?
Yes, sir. Up to abstract. Yes, sir.
Okay, remember.
Yeah. Mm.
Point number one. In every paper, abstract is there, others' names are there, right?
Yes,
Title
sir.
is there.
Yes.
You also find email ID of corresponding author,
Yes. Sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
You send an email to the corresponding author.
Okay.
Sir, I have gone through your paper. I want to use your paper in my research. Can you send
Okay.
me PDF of your paper?
Okay.
The moment you send the request, within less than 1 hour, you get the paper.
Okay.
So that way, you cannot say you don't have access to any paper
Yes, we don't try to mail that particular corresponding author to get the access. Yes, that is the point.
because you do
Yes.
not know,
Yes, sir. Yeah, we do. Yes,
right?
exactly.
Yeah. Now, what you do? Go to journal, try to identify the papers,
Okay.
note them down. If
Mm-hmm.
they are available open access, okay.
Mm-hmm.
If
Mm-hmm.
not, write email to the corresponding author. Listen, I get
Okay.
so many emails,
Okay.
and I send immediately.
Okay.
Researchers, they check up emails every 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Midnight at 1 o'clock also, when I wake up, take water, check up. If I wake up at 3 o'clock, again check up. I respond immediately. If anyone asks me any paper, okay, send immediately, whatever they want.
Okay.
Okay, so you have access to all the papers.
Okay.
Understand? You
Thank
can
you
try
so much.
if you
Okay.
don't believe me, you can try.
Okay. Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
I I'm sorry, today I'm only talking. I am not showing anything today.
No, that is a
Understand?
good, that is a real experience, sir. That is a
Yes,
real
sir. We know
knowledge we are
that.
getting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. People normally what they do, they go to the PowerPoint, explain, they read the slides. No, I don't. I'm not of that type. If I show the paper, I explain what is the paper, right? What is the introduction, so on. And okay, one more question: do you write direct hypothesis or null hypothesis? Do you write null hypothesis or direct hypothesis?
We
Or you
write
do both?
direct hypothesis we will write, sir, from the review of literature, whatever the problem statement we have identified. So direct
Yeah.
hypothesis we will write. Null hypothesis is already existing in the review of literature. Somebody might have studied.
What's your Santosh Kumar, sir?
Santosh sir. Santosh sir.
Sir, I wrote both, sir. Null hypothesis as well as the alternative hypothesis.
Okay. Okay, give an example.
For example, the there is no significant relationship between the HR practices and uh, HR practices and sorry, I forgot.
Okay, very good. Okay. And on performance, let us say, right? HR practice and performance, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No relationship. Or null. What is the alternative?
There is a significant relationship between HRM practices and performance analysis.
So then what do we get from that? Suppose null is rejected. What does it mean?
It means we are found that there is a significant relationship is there.
What's positive or negative?
Null hypothesis, sir.
Positive or negative? Huh?
Which one, sir?
Is it positive relationship or negative relationship?
There is a positive relationship, we are sure.
Wow. Oh, suppose let us say stress is not related to job satisfaction.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I find null rejected. What is the alternative?
There is a relationship between stress
What
and
positive or negative? Positive or negative?
positive, sir.
So stress
It
is
may
related to positive.
either it may be positive or either it may be negative, sir.
So it means every null has two alternative hypotheses, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So which one you accept?
Uh, if it is stress, I have to accept a negative thing.
If it is plus means you go to regression coefficient and see.
Yes, sir.
That is called data driven, which is not acceptable.
So I didn't know
A
the.
simple example. Sir,
Yes, sir.
do you drive any vehicle?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any car? So you can drive a car.
Yes, sir. I
So
will.
what is the make of your car?
What's it?
What is the name of what is the year of the car?
Maruti Suzuki.
Year, sir.
Which year?
Recently 2014 model.
Why don't you drive 1960 Fiat car?
Because I didn't purchase it, sir. That's right.
No. If you, for example, today it's available. 1960 Fiat car. Do you drive
Yes,
that?
sir.
Do you drive?
Yes, sir. I will drive, sir.
No. Do you take it? Let us say, I give two choices. Maruti 2015 car and Fiat 1960 car. Which one you prefer?
Recent one, sir.
Why?
Because there are advanced features. There is a more flexibility.
Non-life bus is like that only. Non-life bus is 1960 model.
Yes, sir.
You are updating in research. No. You are updating technology. We want modern color TV, electric vehicle, everything new, updated. Research, 1960 model,
Then there is no user.
right?
Yes, sir.
So null has the problems. That is why we go to direct hypothesis. I have given an example only, just I am not trying to insult your schedule, so I understand.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, always form direct hypothesis, not null hypothesis.
yes.
So what is the
It's 7:30, sir, here. 1 hour we have
yeah?
spent.
For me, daytime it's 10 o'clock. For you, it's night time.
Yes, sir.
So, uh, so Pallavi madam, you are from which department?
Sir, I am from management. I used to teach HR and finance.
In which where you are from? Where?
I am from Varanasi, Kashi, UP.
Oh, I know one Dr. Anurag Singh from Banaras Hindu University.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's from our domain also.
Oh, you know him?
Yeah, he used to frequently visits our college at the conferences when we used to have
Hmm.
a kind of a, because we invite them as a dignitaries at our college for doing the international conference as a guest lecture and a resource person.
Yeah, we both have 5 papers together.
Okay, and
Anurag
will
Singh and myself. Yeah,
okay, okay, nice, sir.
marketing intelligence and planning, general business research, general
Yes, yes,
consumer behavior. Yeah,
okay, okay.
and the global fashion marketing general. We have five,
Sir,
six
we
papers.
would love to invite you as well for the resource person as to teach about research and about, because we get the depth knowledge that how we have to write the papers, how we have to do the things, we have to collaborate the people, how we have to get the deep knowledge for giving the guidance to the researchers, our students when they used to write the research papers, because we used to try them as we utilize them for making the
Hmm.
presentation to the conferences as well. It's been a nice being have a good knowledge from you. It's our pleasure, sir.
So that would be fine, but you know,
Not tomorrow when I'll go to my college. I will tell some of my like inputs what I have just learned today, and I will just flaunt myself in the college that I know various things which you don't know. I know much more than you. Thank you for that, sir.
oh, you know much more. No,
Sir,
I
it's
didn't
just
get you.
because of you. Because had just today only I just get the itself information that what is the basic difference between SLR and LR. How we have to do that.
Oh,
Yes, I'm
okay,
quite
okay.
confused about this. So I just get the narration that what does it mean actually. Thank you this sir, for this. Sir. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
See, if you go through any of the papers, what you find structure is that. Can I just show one paper? For,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sure,
sir.
sir.
Please, sir.
Yes,
Please,
sir.
sir.
yeah,
Yes,
let me share one paper.
yes.
Mine. Can I show?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. You can, sir.
Okay, I'll open the paper and show you. I saw that the difference can be noted immediately. Uh, Let us say,
Sir, you are not sharing, sir.
I'll share. I'll open the paper first.
Okay.
Okay, I will. No, not this one. 1 second. Let me share.
What about
Okay, can you see now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can see it.
You can see the paper.
Yes, sir. It's visible, sir.
Yes.
visible?
What is his name? Anurag, right? Are you seeing Anurag Singh?
Yes, sir. I can see. Yes, sir.
And myself, okay. This is
Yeah.
IJM Data Insights paper. Uh, Let me see. Oh, what happened? I want to MS from. Okay. Now, if you go there, I don't know how to expand this one. Okay. Okay. Now you see. I am not able to move. I want to move. Let me see. I can see further paper, but not able to move. Now let me see. Something wrong here. Mhm. I had to do one thing once again. Okay. Okay, now you can see.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am scrolling down. And how to get rid of this one. Okay. The hypothesis development. See, theoretical framework, model, and the hypothesis development. And here itself, the literature review is embedded. For example, I am seeing social currency and customer experience. Okay. So all this is consisting of literature review about relationship between social currency and customer experience. You can see other papers, previous papers here into 18 paper and Kumar's paper and Ashwini's paper 18. All this literature review, particularly about relationship between social currency and customer experience. Then based on this and based on logical reasoning, what we do, we formulate hypothesis. See here, social currency is positively related to customer experience. Direct hypothesis. Similarly, attitudes and customer experience. Our literature review concerning relationships is shown here. And then based on that, we show. Okay, like this. Then develop hypothesis, model. This is the model. This is the roadmap. Social currency has 6 indicates, actually 6 second order latent variable. Conversation, advocacy, information, affiliation, utilities are all the latent variables, second order latent construct, leading to customer experience, leading to co-creation. Attitude is a moderator and also has a direct relationship. Subjective forms moderator and also direct relationship. So in this, so then method, what we do, measures, and then is that hierarchical regression we use here. And then common variance. This is what I was talking of, common method variance. Hypothesis testing, then moderation graphs, discussion, and so on. Empirical model, practical. These are all the measures, survey instrument, so on. So what is happening? So see that here, role of social currency and customer experience and co-creation intention in online travel agencies. I think Manjuna sir, this is your area.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Moderation of attitude and subjective norms.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, when customer experience is there, why you have not included TAM model, sir? technology acceptance model when it comes to the customer experience?
This is about social currency, and we talk about theory of plant behavior.
Okay.
There is no technology here, right? SOR, actually, we use the SOR model.
Sir, I am having one question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you have used the second order constraint for that accidental value. So you collected questions for that social norm, sir. Can you go for that graphical? This one.
I'll go to survey instrument. See,
so we should collect indicators for all the variable, all the constraint, right, sir?
yes. See, for example, see utility 1, 2, 3, 4, application 1, 2, 3, 4. I was like this. Like this, you should have.
Okay. Yeah, sir.
And then you collapse all these things into one second order. Yeah. Where is the model? I think
So
that
we
this is the
have go
model.
for the score. So we are getting questions for conservation, advocacy, information, affiliation, utility, and NAT. And then we have collected for mean score for social currency, or we have to collect individual question for social currency.
No. They are all the dimensions of social currency.
So we can take a mean score, right, sir?
Yes. Let me see if CFA table is there. I think we didn't give CFA table. And demographic measures. See, we have only social currency one item.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Yeah. So collapse all into one. There's actually CFA table also is there, but we didn't, because of size problem, we didn't include that. Otherwise, normally, let me do one thing. Let me show you one more paper. You have an idea. 1 second. Sorry, taking your time. Mhm. 1 second. I'll show you one more paper.
One more doubt is also there, sir. When should we go for
Yes.
PLS and when should we go for Hayes process regression model, sir? When to use regression and when to use complex model?
I'll show you. I'll tell you. 1 second. Okay. Let me show you JBR paper. One second. Okay. I'll show you. Let me share one more paper so that will clear your idea. Can you see this paper now? Can you see this paper?
Yes, sir. You see, sir.
Okay. Here I'll show you. All your questions should be answered here. Okay. See the model now? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
So here we've got a three-way interaction here, two-way interaction here. We use Hayes process. We also use structural modeling. two maths. Okay, this is where we should all the constructs and loadings, reliability, variance, and so on, AV, and so on. Then when I go to here, we see we use model number 4 of phase process. We explain that also here if you see. Use phase process to show that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And also two-way interaction. And here we see the range. This is two-way interaction. Three-way interaction we show in two graphs. This is three-way interaction. Oh my God, this paper took a lot of time. General business research.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is empirical model. Impulse buying tendency, impulse buying satisfaction, injection to continue. Standard pattern in the marketing area. See, I'm not very expert in marketing. My area is strategic management, but we wrote some papers like sometimes paper like this. So is your question clear?
Sir, I understand, but slightly one doubt,
Yeah.
sir. When to integration and when to scale up?
No. You are missing the point. We have tested two things, right? One is a measurement model, structural model, right?
Yes, sir.
For
Yes.
a measurement model, we use structural equation modeling. What are the package you can use? TLS, SEM package, or CB based, covariance based structural equation modeling, AMOS, it doesn't matter. Okay, you are trying to establish measurement model, perfect. Structural model, that's where, depending on the model, what technique you are using. Yes, process, hierarchical
And yeah,
regression, or SEM, and so on. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Whatever the model, you have to test the CFA, right? Confirmatory factor
we have
analysis.
CFA. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
but that you have to do. See, any package you take, AMOS, Smart PLS, Literal, or JAMOB, whatever is available on that, you do it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Any questions? I'm sorry I didn't take much time today. Just I think you get used to my tone.
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
But it had wonderful tone before.
yes. Sir, now what we will do is all the individual members will try to develop a concept, try to develop a
Yeah,
conceptual proposal, and we will also share in the group that
yeah.
especially collaborative research group we have created. In that
Mm,
only we will share,
mm,
and we will open one Google Doc, and where we will be
mm,
adding you as a editor. So you'll have any, if
mm.
any wrong, incorrect things are noticed, that straight away you can comment and you can embed the comment there itself, and we will rectify that one. So, so
Yeah, sure.
and as we are already in the group, we have around 6 to 7 members are there. So that
Yeah,
we will accommodate once the title is developed, or model is
yeah.
developed. If any other
Mm.
members are also interested, so we will have a collaboration, sir, and we will work on.
Yeah, no
So,
problem. Anytime, no problem.
sir,
Yeah.
three members, and it is mandatory that three members should be there in a research paper, and along with one mentor. So totally
I don't
four
have to be
members.
on that.
No,
No, no,
sir.
I don't have to be on the paper. Don't worry.
No, no.
I'm guided. I can.
That is a policy framework, sir. We made it. So three members, ICMT members, one research mentor. So four members will be there for a paper.
I can guide throughout the process. No problem. That's not a problem.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
And you do one thing meanwhile.
Yeah, sir.
Uh, accounting, finance area, 2, 3 people join together.
Okay.
Marketing, one, HR and OB and other people, one like that.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Even if 2 members are there right now, people can join. You just
Surely,
put
sir.
a number and say,
We'll
okay,
get started.
I will join.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you start one's work, many people try to join.
Surely,
Yes,
sir.
definitely.
Yeah, you can limit them and then you can have. Um, we did, I think, sometime back in Nagarkoil, I did same thing, 7 scholars, and they were 14 papers
Oh,
published
great. Great.
in 2.5 years,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and they meticulously worked very hard. Everybody.
Sir,
Sorry about my tone, please.
yeah, sir. We know, sir.
Accommodate,
I request
accommodate
all the
the
members
thing.
to switch on the video. We'll have one screenshot.
Yes, sir. Already.
Please, all the members, please switch on the video. Others, sir, Srinivasan, sir, make it quick.
Yes, sir.
Srinivasan, sir, you are not visible.
Sir, am I visible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Actually, tower problem
Yeah,
here, sir. It's
no
voice is
problem.
not.
Mine is also, sir. I am in from a remote area. It's like village. One
So is
second.
the session useful? You find it useful?
Very useful, sir.
Very useful, sir.
And don't
Because
worry.
I am not in a systematic way,
And, don't,
unstructured way.
sir, and I have recorded the session. So once everything is done, we will have this video once again. We'll post in the group.
Yeah. Surely.
Sir, one
Yes, sir.
second, please don't close the. My system became slow. One more. I'll take. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Actually, we have to thank.
I showed the paper of 1
No, all the scholars.
I showed you color.
Sir.
Thank you, sir. Learned a lot today.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. It's been pleasure to see you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Oh,
sir,
thank
and
you.
all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. We have learned so much from you, sir.
Okay, ma, take care.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
welcome. I can send some of the. Do you send the papers of mine to the people, all the scholars?
I will send, sir. I will share.
You have all the papers, right?
Yes, sir. I have all the papers, sir.
You can share with them.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Yeah,
Bye.
yeah.